Hello!
Hi, Merlot. Did you get your treats today?
No, the humans are stubborn in their ways.
Well, I disagree with you.
Well, I say we fight to the death.
No, I am too hungry. This is a fine delicacy. I like this type of cardboard. It has a nice texture and taste.
Well, Gigi, that is my box.
Pardon me, but I have greater strength over you.
Did you hear about that plane crash yesterday?
Yeah, it sounded like a catastrophe.
What is this? What is this?
Look, Ma, I'm being reborn. This is my kitty cave, and it's all mine.
Okay, sneak attack. And here we go!